I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios here at AWS reInvent 2024, joined now by my next guest. Christine Warner is the Vice President of Monetization Partnerships across Meta, including WhatsApp, and I'm very excited to chat with you because our entire team uses WhatsApp. Very excited to get into it, but first I have to ask you, what is WhatsApp and what is WhatsApp Business Platform? How are those two things related?
Thank you so much for asking. Thank you for being WhatsApp users. So WhatsApp connects, it's a global messaging platform, and it connects friends and family and businesses over messaging and calling. And in fact, it's one of the world's largest messaging platforms. We have over 2 billion monthly active users, and over 600 million conversations happen between people and businesses every day across WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram Direct. And we've seen that over 80% of people around the globe are having a conversation with a business at least once a week. So increasingly, this is where people and businesses are getting things done. Now you asked me a second question, which is, what is the WhatsApp Business Platform? This is what provides the APIs for businesses and developers to be working on our platform to be able to leverage the WhatsApp tools to reach their customers. And we're really excited about the work that we're doing with Amazon, which I know we're going to talk about here in a moment.
All right, so let's get there. What does WhatsApp Business Platform have to do with AWS aside from here we are?
Yeah, thank you for asking. So recently, over the past few months, we've actually integrated with AWS and user messaging, which essentially enables a business to be able to connect with their customers leveraging AWS and user messaging. And we've seen that it enables a business to do things like provide a one-time passcode to drive authentication, to be able to connect with the customer and provide a shipping update, or even to be able to do a holiday promotion. And so we're really excited about this because we're already seeing many businesses across Amazon already using these solutions across AWS and user messaging. And if you've been following what's been happening this week, which I know you have, we've actually just announced that we are now working with Amazon Connect, which is their cloud contact center. And we're already seeing that businesses are leveraging this in order to be able to connect better with their customers. This integration essentially enables a business to leverage Amazon Connect and WhatsApp to set up easily addressable buttons on their websites, their apps, or even through QR codes to be able to initiate a customer support conversation. So we're really excited about this, and in fact, we've already seen some results in partnership with Amazon Connect and AWS and user messaging. And one example I want to share with you is a business called Localiza & Co. They're based in Brazil. They're one of the largest rental car companies there. They have a fleet of over 600,000 vehicles, over 1,000 locations. You can imagine how many support conversations they must have. But through this integration and through this partnership with Amazon Connect, we're actively seeing that they're able to lower their support costs and drive greater value in those conversations and connections with their customers. And we're really excited about this because I think we're going to be seeing more of these kinds of success stories in the future.
Is it easy to get AWS and user messaging and WhatsApp Business Platform together? Where do you get started?
Where do you get started? Well, if you are already a customer of AWS, you use AWS and user messaging, or if you're working with Connect, well, first, we've actually developed some really easy self-guided guides to be able to onboard to the solution. And second, if you're already engaging with AWS via AWS's management console, you can activate WhatsApp there very easily and in a very clear way. And so because of this, we put in place these integrations to make it easy for businesses and developers, right? We wanted business and developers to be working closely and leveraging these solutions. But we know that we have a lot of room to grow in this partnership to support our shared customers. So you can leverage those guides, you can onboard to the solution via AWS Management Console, but we also want to hear from the market. If there are areas where we can improve, you can reach out to your AWS account manager. Businesses can also reach out to the WhatsApp account managers to give us feedback for where we can grow and be better.
What are you working for next year? What are you and I going to be talking about at AWS 2024, reInvent 2025?
Thank you for the question. I think one, we're going to be talking about more case studies like Localiza & Co. for the value that we're helping to drive to help businesses connect with their customers in ways that are meaningful to the customers, that drive down costs, that drive ROI for the business. And I think that we're going to hear more of these success stories through the partnership between WhatsApp and also AWS end user messaging and Connect. So I'm really looking forward to being able to talk about those and other new things that we'll launch next year as well.
Christine Warner, Vice President of Monetization Partnerships for Meta. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Brian Westbrook. You're watching GeekWire Studios.